Tesla refused to help him repair his car, but what he did next made them regret it. Rich Benoit, known for rebuilding Teslas on YouTube, found a flood-damaged Model S. He planned to restore it for his channel, but Tesla refused to sell him the parts he needed. So instead of giving up, he went the opposite direction. He ripped out the motors, tore out the batteries, and swapped in a V8 from a Camaro SS. But this wasn't just an engine swap. His team fit a 6-speed transmission, slammed it on air suspension, and finished it with a bronze wrap inspired by Ice-T. When they tested it, the thing pushed 444 horsepower, all while being way lighter than a stock Tesla. The result was nicknamed Ice-T, the world's first V8 powered Tesla. Subscribe if you like cars.